The Mathoor Aqueduct in the Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu, surrounded by pristine plantations and evergreen forest. This is the aqueduct. You can see the water slowly moving down the hill. This is the bridge where you can walk from one hill to the other. The farmland and plantation land, and here you can see people playing in the river water. It's about 10 minutes past 6 o'clock, so it's a bit hazy and dark, but a beautiful place in the Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu. So if you're planning a trip to Nagarkoil, Kanyakumari or even Trivandrum, this is a great place for a day trip and maybe a water picnic.